Yeah, about scanners and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my go-to scanner right here. I used to use the one on Interactive Brokers. That one was pretty good as well. But this is definitely by far stockcharts.com, like all around the best scanner that I've ever seen because it's like it's fully customizable. There's tons of stuff in here that, like, to be honest, I don't even know how to use because it's so like there's so many different things. But this is my platform. You know, I have I'm an extra member, so it's like a paid service. It's I think it's like $30 a month or something like that to be on here. But if you just scroll down, you know, you can set up all your different scans here. So like, you know, there's a bunch that are kind of like pre-made. Like I don't use a lot of these things. Like gap up, gaps downs. Those are a couple that I look at. Like my main one here is my small cap spikers because that's like sort of my wheelhouse. So if I just click on this, you know, if I hit edit scan, the way you can customize it is pretty cool. So it's like you literally type in like your own code, so you can make it absolutely anything you want to. Like you can, you know, like so here for example, like I have type, you know, I want it to be a stock, I want it to be higher than $1. I want today's high to be higher than yesterday's close by 30%. You know, the volume over 3 million shares, liquidity $6 million, and I don't want ETFs. So that's pretty much it, and that basically gets me like exactly what I'm looking for every day. So this one's super handy. I think
Question.
this, yeah,
So for that scanner, you don't even need to um, dictate the market cap of the company. Just that alone will only pick up small caps.
yep, yeah. Well, I mean, sometimes it picks up large caps depending how they're trading.
Right.
But yeah, for the most part, like, you know, 95% of the time, it's basically getting me exactly what I want to find. But like it's fully customizable. So like you could search for ones that are only on, you know, the New York Stock Exchange, like only the Nasdaq. You could search for like only OTC stocks. You could search for, you know, only stocks within a certain market cap range. Like you can literally do anything you want on this thing. Like this is one of this 52 high swing. This is one of the built-in ones, so I'm not really sure, but it's, you know, PE ratio over 40, outstanding shares less than 100,000. You know, today's high is greater than yesterday's daily max. You know, 253 high. Type is a stock. Exchange is New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. You know, close greater than $60. So you can, yeah, like I said, I mean, this is a great tool. You can just kind of play around with it. If you put something in there that doesn't work, it'll tell you, and it'll tell you how to fix it. Like, you know, if you're missing a bracket or something like that, and then you just kind of like like, you know, I kind of fumble around with it until I find what I want. Like sometimes I'll put in like exchanges, you know, New York Stock Exchange and something else, but then it'll only give me ETS for some reason. You got to kind of figure out why it's not working because, you know, you're just coding a program, right? But
Right.
yeah, as far as scanners go, this is definitely like the one that I would recommend over anything else. The customer service is really good too. Like if you have any questions, if you're trying to like find something specific, you can just email the guys and say like, hey, this is the kind of stuff I trade. I'm trying to find stuff that's, you know, in this specific criteria, and then they'll help you like set up a code for it. And it's also pretty widely used. So like you can even find stuff on forums. Like if you're just searching around on forums, you can just Google like, you know, how do I scan for these types of stocks on stockcharts.com, and there's probably somebody that's already coded it, so you can just use it that way as well. Um, but then like if I go to my small cap spikers here, let's go back actually. I'll just show you how it kind of comes out. So you scroll down, you know, go to my small cap spikers. I just hit run scan, and then it'll show me here. It'll show me, so like I got 10 entries. We're recording on Sunday, so this is all from Friday because I have this set to be, you know, yesterday's high. But you can put in a specific date too. Like if you want to scan from, you know, 3 weeks ago on a specific day, you can do that, and it'll give you all those results. Usually what I do is I just click the volume thing here. So I'll just get my highest volume stock first, and it goes down to the lowest volume at the end. And then available actions, I just say store these in a new chart list, preserve sort order. If you click that off, then it basically just keeps the high volume one first. And then it'll just save it as its own little file. And then from here, you can just kind of view it however you want. So it says, you know, view list as summary, you know, chart book, gallery, you know, candle glance. And you can edit all these as well. Like you can set these up however you want to. I usually just do 10 per page. And then I have it set up so it shows me as a line chart with the volume profile and everything. So I got the volume profile there on the left, you know, volume at the bottom, and then it just shows me as a line chart, and then it, you know, it shows you your percentage gain, shows me my volume on the day, and then I'll just, you know, go through each one of these and just kind of take a look at what I'm interested in, basically. So it's super, super handy.
It's very handy. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. I just like it. Like, you can set it up however you want. Like I could set this up to show me the daily chart. Like I can set this up to be in candles, like whatever you want. I can code it to be whatever I want too. So like if I'm looking for, swing trades, or if I'm looking for really specific stuff, or 52-week highs, or the biggest losers on the day, or the biggest gainers, like you can just set all that up in here really easily. And it just helps you narrow it down from looking at, 50, 100 stocks that have gone up in one day. It just helps you narrow it down to like, 5 or 10 of your best setups kind of thing. So
And it's like, and is there a free version?
there is a free version, but I don't think you can set up your own scanners and stuff on it though.
Gotcha.
So it'll give you a little bit of stuff, but you can't do too much with the free version. But like I said, I mean, it's only like $30 a month. So like, if you're making more than $30 a month, it's worth it, right? So.
Well, it takes money to make money.
Yeah. I think all the services I had, it's not crazy. I think I'm like, what am I like, 30, maybe like $350 a month for all the stuff I subscribe to. Like my brokers, my trading platform, my scanners, all that kind of stuff is probably in that neighborhood.
I think I'm gonna share screen. I think I'm maybe half of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm paying 80 US a month for the on-chain data for Bitcoin because that's helped me out a lot. Actually, I'm gonna touch on that a little bit, the trade that I was doing, and then I pay for,
Actually.
and I think I pay $60 for TradingView. There's about 150 US for those.
Okay. Is that a month? Because I think I got my TradingView when it was on sale. It was like $120 for the year or something.
Oh, I upgraded because it's on my laptop. So to get the more access on different devices, you got to pay a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, like I pay for BAM SEC too. I've showed that on here a couple times to get like filings, and I think that's another like $30 a month or whatever it is.
Yeah. It's like a video game, man. You get a little bit better, you start winning a little bit, you start accumulating.
yeah, you get the upgrades. It's like you start off and you have the cards, and then you get this scanner and this little information, and you get this platform, and like all of a sudden you're spending like $500 a month just on services.
It's hilarious. I love it.
Yeah.